Okay, this is the phone. I'm coming to replace the battery. Okay, the first thing you have to do, you have to take out the SIM tray, put it one side. Okay, then you have a nails, you can use your nails. You open it right now. If you don't have nails, you can use the pen set. Just open it right now like this. Everywhere is a clip. Just open the clip right now. Okay, you move the back over, put it one side. Okay, now you need to take out this 3 screw here. Remove this 3 screw. After you remove this 3 screw, remove this panel on top. Okay, you disconnect the battery. Okay, now you take this rubber like this, you pull the battery. Just pull it, remove it. Okay, if you remove it, the connector is disconnected, make sure you fix it back. Very nice. Okay, make sure it rests properly back. Very nice. Okay, if the glue is there, no need to put another glue, just fix the new battery. Okay, just make sure you fix the battery terminal first. Very nice, before you put the battery down so you don't lose the position. Okay, put the battery down like this. Okay, you put back the cover you take out. You place back the 3 screw. Then you close the phone. Start closing the phone from the top like this. Okay, then you close it down. Okay, put back the SIM tray. Okay, now you need to put it on charge for full charge before you use the phone so you don't spoil the new battery. Okay, hence the battery is new, you have to put on charge, full charge, before you use it. Okay, put on charge. As you can see, the charging logo already show. The battery will start charging very soon. Don't use it, make sure it's full charge before you on the phone and use the phone so you don't spoil the battery. Now the battery is charging, that means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.